Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I would like to buy a coffee.
Sure. What kind of coffee do you want?
I want a black coffee.
Okay. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
I want milk.
How about sugar?
No sugar, please.
No problem. Is this for here or to go?
To go, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Would you like a snack with your coffee?
What snacks do you have?
We have muffins and cookies.
That sounds good. I will take one muffin.
Sure. What flavor do you want?
Chocolate, please.
Good choice.
Thank you.
Your total is $5.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here you go.
Please tap your card.
Done.
Payment accepted.
Great.
Please wait a moment.
Sure.
Your coffee will be ready soon.
No problem.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome to our coffee shop.
Thank you very much.
We make fresh coffee every day.
That's nice to know.
Many people like our coffee.
I like good coffee.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you.
And here is your muffin.
Thank you so much.
Be careful, it's hot.
I will. It smells very good.
I hope you enjoy it.
I'm sure I will.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
The place looks very nice.
Thank you. We try to keep it clean.
I like the atmosphere.
We're happy to hear that.
I will come again.
Please do.
Do you open early?
Yes, we open at 7 a.m.
That's perfect.
Many people come in the morning.
I also like morning coffee.
Morning coffee is the best.
I agree.
Have a great day.
You too.
Enjoy your coffee.
I will.
Thank you for visiting.
Thank you for your service.
You're always welcome here.
That's kind of you.
Take care.
See you next time.
See you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.